Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.